So today we are going to have our discussion related proverbs. Okay. Proverbs are these, like हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि बहुत सारी होती हैं, जैसे एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती है. For example.
मुहावरे क्या बोलते हैं इनको?
मुहावरे, yes, right. In Hindi we say मुहावरे. So in English we say sayings or proverbs. Okay. So these are the proverbs. Today I will ask few proverbs and the meaning, and then you will have to explain it, describe it in English in your words. Okay. So don't count your chicken before they hatch. Don't count your chicken before they hatch. What does it mean?
Don't count your chicken before.
Okay, what do word meaning can you understand?
Can you repeat it again? Can you come back again?
Don't count your chicken before they hatch.
Don't count?
Yes, don't count your chickens before they hatch.
Means जल्दबाजी मत करो.
What does it mean is actually its mean is don't make plan based on future events that may not happen at all. हम बहुत ज़्यादा सोचने लगते हैं ना, बहुत सारी प्लानिंग्स करने लगते हैं without any base and without any possibility. So here is mentioned about those things. Like someone is having a lot of passion and he is thinking and planning a lot before he has something, okay, like preparation. So that time you can say don't count your chicken before they hatch. Okay. Next one, don't judge a book by its cover. It is quite popular one.
Yes, ma'am. Means आप एकदम किसी को जज नहीं कर सकते.
Yes, we cannot judge someone by his physical appearance.
Yes.
Right. Yes. And most of the person we catch a person who is really modest, who is not showing off, but he can be intelligent one and skilled one, right? Yeah.
Right.
It was the meaning of this proverb. Don't kill the goose that lays the golden egg. Don't kill the goose that lays the golden egg. Firstly, I would ask, what is goose?
सोने की मुर्गी.
Goose.
Don't kill. सोने की coin.
Yeah, right. It was the meaning of this proverb. Actually, I was not aware about goose, but I think 1 year ago I came to know about goose. One day I found this word, so I found the difference between duck and goose. Do you know?
Okay.
Goose are those who are used for eating purpose, but duck are the duck is duck, as we know.
So goose are male duck.
Not like this. Okay. Next one, don't pull all your eggs in one basket.
मतलब अपनी सारी मेहनत एक साइड मत लगाओ.
Exactly right. Good. Okay. Don't throw the baby with the bath water. Don't throw the baby with the bath water.
Don't throw the baby with bath water.
Actually, here in our India, we count and we use one more proverb related to this. Like, we cannot leave our bed just because of bed bug. Just because of bed bug, we cannot leave our bed. Have you heard this? So this is related this. Like, don't throw the baby with the bath water, because when we make a baby bath, that time if we want to discard the bath water, we cannot discard baby hole. We want to discard the bath water only. So don't throw the baby with the bath water. The meaning is the saying, don't discard something valuable while getting rid of. Getting rid of means किसी चीज से छुटकारा पाना. While getting rid of something worthless, किसी worthless चीज के पीछे किसी बहुत expensive, बहुत ही precious चीज को हम नहीं छोड़ सकते. It was the meaning of this. Okay. Next one, early bird catches the worm.
सवेरे जल्दी उठना एक अच्छी.
Here it is mentioned about the active person who becomes more active in the field and productive one. Definitely he will find his result. Surely he will be successful. Okay. Easy come, easy go.
आसानी से आता, आसानी से जाता है.
I think they may have talked about shortcuts.
Yes.
Right?
Easy comes easy.
Yes. Shortcuts are not good. Okay.
So easy comes and easy go is not good, right?
Yes, right. And you know, good things takes time. This thing I've recently known, right? Good things take time. Every cloud has a silver line.
मतलब हमेशा दुख के बाद एक सुख आता ही.
Yeah, there is always positivity after negativity. And means if you are really fed up tolerating negativity, so there would be some positive point. But we need to focus on that. It was the meaning. Every bad or negative situation can result in some benefit to you. Next one, every dog has his day.
हर कुत्ते का एक दिन होता है.
Yeah, this is quite popular one. Every man is the architect of his destiny.
हर एक मैन एक माहिर होता है काम करने में.
Every man is the architect of his destiny. Destiny means luck.
Luck.
Okay, so our luck in our hand. Right? So every man is the architect of his destiny. He cannot blame others for his failure. Okay. Fortune favors the brave. What could you understand?
Fortune
favors the brave.
The brave. Fortunes mean luck.
As we normally say, God always helps the brave. Like if you try by yourself, then you'll be helped by the God. It is said now, so this is related to this thing. Here, I'm expecting you to add your words, like related this. How you can explain by your words the thing, or the sayings. Okay.
Fortune favor brave.
Yeah. This is most of the time we face and we encounter. Give them an inch and they will take a mile.
A brave person can create his fortune.
It was what? Like previous one?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you say? Please repeat.
The great person create his fortune.
Right. That is true. And next one, give them an inch and they will take a mile.
कोई उदाहरण देना. Give them take instance. To next.
Give them an inch and they will take a mile.
किसी को मैं सलाह या मोटिवेट करना किसी काम के प्रति.
No. And it means if you give someone a small amount of power or freedom to do something, they may try to get a lot more. Right? If you give a liberty, if you give liberty an inch, here it is mentioned, for example, an inch if you give, then they will take a mile. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना उंगली पकड़ा कर सर तक चढ़ना, that is something related. It was the thing. So अगर हम इसे 3 बारी बोल लेते हैं, if we just only cram it just for 3 times, then we can use it perfectly. Give them an inch and they will take a mile. Okay. God helps those who help themselves.
भगवान उनकी हेल्प करता है जो अपनी हेल्प खुद करना जानते हैं.
In English. Can you?
God helps those who helps
themselves. अच्छा, themselves नहीं होगा, themselves होगा. Okay, themselves. Yeah, themselves. Okay. Next है, half a loaf is better than no bread. Actually, when I learned, there was a half a loaf is better than no bread.
Nothing is better than
no bread.
Something.
Yeah, right. So half a loaf. Loaf means लॉफ मीन्स मोरसेल, मोरसेल हम मोरसेल भी बोल सकते हैं और हम लॉफ भी बोल सकते हैं, जिसको हम बाइट बोलते हैं ना, एक बाइट वो अलग होता है, एक स्पून वो अलग होता है, और एक निवाला, दैट इज मोरसेल और लॉफ। ओके, लॉफ का टुकड़ा भी मीन्स होता है टुकड़ा, और एक कॉर्ड, एक निवाला और एक लॉफ। हाफ अ लॉफ इज बेटर देन नो ब्रेड और देन नन। ओके, okay, here it is mentioned honesty is the best policy. What do you think about it? Is it really a best policy or not? Because in this era, this is not possible, as I think.
No. If you have hard worker with your honest
it is
honesty,
only,
you can.
it is believed only, but nobody speaks truth. I'm telling you truly.
But you have to honest with yourself. Yeah. You can't cheat yourself. You can cheat other person. That's a different thing. But if you want to succeed, you have to honest with yourself.
Right. What person honesty?
But I believe in honesty.
Have you ever lied?
Yeah, and many times.
Yeah, we have to. It's other thing like what percent, like 5% or 10%, but we have to. Okay. Hope for the best, prepare for the worst. Hope for the best, prepare for the worst.
Means always stay positive, and always have a courage to face worst things.
Good. If you can't beat them, join them. If you can't beat them, join them.
If you can't means it's mean if you don't have courage to competition with other person, just join.
What happens sometimes things are not in our hand. That time it will be the better option to join them. Join meaning like you can make them, you can agree with them. So like instead we get irritated and we just spoil our mood. It would be the better way to join that person, and maybe it could be, and it would be for your betterment. हो सकता है. Sometimes what happens, like, do you believe this thing or not? But I really believe the thing which is given by God, it is we deserve. This is something we really deserve. Sometimes we lost something and we think like, why didn't I get that? But maybe you deserve better than this. That's why God hasn't provided you this thing. Yeah. Okay. If you play with fire, you will get burned.
मीन्स आप आग के साथ खेलोगे तो जल जाओगे.
Okay. What does it mean?
यही है कि आप किसी दुश्मन के साथ लड़ाई करोगे या किसी, तो मे बी आप खुद भी डिस्ट्रॉय हो सकते हैं.
If you involved in any bad activity, so your future and your whole things, maybe your image will be spoiled. Don't think like you can escape from this after involving or something. So it is a meaning. If you do something dangerous or adventurous, you may get harmed. So you should be ready for that. Okay. Next one. It's never too late to mend. It's never too late to mend. हम अपने हिंदी में बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल सेट करते हैं. Let me know firstly whether you know or not.
अभी देरी नहीं है, अभी भी हम कर सकते हैं.
जब भी जागो तभी सवेरा है, हम बोलते हैं. और कई बार हमें लगता है कि इसको क्या कहा जा सकता है इन हिंदी. सो इट्स नेवर टू लेट टू मेंड. हम इसे 3 टाइम्स बोलेंगे. इट्स नेवर टू लेट टू मेंड. मेंड का मतलब क्या होता है? MEND.
रिपेयर करना.
मेंड रिपेयर. एग्जैक्टली. रिपेयर और मेंड, हम शूज के लिए मेंड वर्ड पर्टिकुलर यूज करते हैं. Cobbler is mending the shoes. We have just learned this poem or something. So it's never too late. अच्छा, too late में TOO आएगा. Too means too much वाला.
ज़्यादा.
It's never too late to mend. It's never too late to mend. अब हम इसको यूज करने के लिए रेडी है. Now we are ready to use it. It's no use crying over spilt milk.
मतलब बेकार जो हो चुका उसके ऊपर अब रोने की जरूरत नहीं.
Yeah. Have you ever thought about past time or have you ever regretted about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we should leave, just immediately leave these kind of things because we cannot change our past, right? We can change our.
We can learn by mistakes. That's it. We can't cry on that thing.
Yeah, we should learn from our mistake, but we shouldn't like talk about or regret a lot, or we shouldn't go in like depression or all. Yeah. Next one, it takes two to make a quarrel.
ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बचती, दो हाथ से.
Okay, good, nice. I didn't expect this thing from you, but you are doing really quite well. Okay, keep your mouth shut and your eyes open.
बस चुपचाप खड़े रहो, देखते रहो.
Keep your mouth shut and eyes open. Be observant. Right? Be observant.
Yeah, observant.
And it happens when you observe and when you listen to others, that time you need to be focused without speaking a lot. It means the person who speaks so much, he cannot focus really. And I've observed this. Yeah, those who speaks less, they are more observant. And they are really good listener. So we should be like them. Okay. Laughter is the best medicine. What person you agree? You agree with it?
Yeah, I agree with this. The person who laugh, the doctor say that their heartbeats and everything will be good.
Okay. So have you ever made someone laugh? Can you do this?
Yeah, it's difficult task for me.
Yeah, it's really difficult.
But in office with my with my colleague, yeah, we can make a laugh with each other.
What about your siblings? How many siblings do you have?
No, I have one sister.
Okay, that's why.
Cousins all are very. They are always very busy now. I think now this time they making them other in studying, making them money. Yes.
Okay. Actually, we are 4 siblings, so that time you cannot be modest. They won't let you be modest. So it happens. Maybe like your sister also having the same nature as you have.
No, she's I think frank, little bit more talkative.
Okay. Okay. So barking dogs seldom bite.
Barking dog seldom bites. कुत्ते भौंकते हैं, भौंकते
रहेंगे. And here they are maybe they have discussed about the person who speaks so much. It's not sure. Like as I have learned, like words must be weighted, not counted. This thing relate to this, and I believe this. It's other thing I speak a bit more just because I'm a trainer. This is my work. If I don't make you comfortable, that time means you would be nervous. This is the other thing. But in my personal life, I really love speaking less. Okay. Next one. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
मीन्स ब्यूटी आपके बिहेवियर में होती है.
Right? What may seem beautiful to one person may not seem to another. Right? हो सकता है कि आपको कोई चीज पसंद हो, मेरे को ना पसंद हो. It depends. Right? Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Beholder मतलब क्या होता है? Behold करना किसी को बहुत ही प्रेम से, बहुत ही that is निहारना in हिंदी. बहुत प्रेम से देखना, that is behold. Okay. Next one. Beggars can't be choosers. Beggars can't be choosers.
Beggars भिखारी कभी भी डिसीजन नहीं ले सकते.
Can't be choosers. Can't be choosers. Can't be. उनके पास options नहीं होते हैं. A beggar can't have the options. Like if you depend on others, you cannot put your condition. If you depend on yourself, then you can put the condition. It means don't depend on others. And related this, I've learned, if you depend on another man's table, you will have to dine late. Person who depend on another man's table often dines late. मतलब अगर आप किसी के यहाँ dinner पर जा रहे हो तो आपको late हो जाएगी. This thing related to this. right? So beggars can't be the choosers. Okay. Next one. Better to be poor and healthy rather than rich and sick. Better to be poor and healthy rather than rich and sick.
Means अमीरी से अच्छा कि अपना healthy रहना.
Yes, exactly. Even if you are poor but if you are healthy, then it will fine.
Yeah, it's better to healthy than wealthy.
Yeah, good health is more important than money.
Yeah.
I will send you the whole PDF. Don't you worry. You'll have to use your mind and try to explain in your words. Okay. Blood is thicker than water.
हिंदी में blood गाढ़ा होता पानी से.
It was word to word meaning. It was word to word meaning, huh? And then, in your words, what could you mean by it?
In relationship, blood relation is more important than other.
Yes, right. The relationship with family or blood relatives is stronger than other relationships. Money doesn't grow on the trees. Money doesn't grow on trees. This thing we have heard by our parents in our childhood many times.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You have to work. You have to work hard. Money doesn't grow in tree.
Yeah. Money talks.
He always talking of money talk.
Money talks.
पैसे की बात करना.
Money gives one power and influence. Money talks. It means the person who is loaded. Loaded means बहुत पैसा है.
Yeah,
loaded,
rich.
That person is reputed now and he will be respected now. He will be focused now.
Right.
Okay. He will be welcomed everywhere. That is the meaning of this proverb. So as I'm using here, you have to also explain the meaning, not word. Oh, try to do this. You can. Okay, necessity is the mother of invention. This thing relate to me.
Necessity means जरूरत, mother of invention.
Necessity is the mother of invention.
Yeah.
Okay. And necessity का मतलब होता है जरूरत. Okay. And mother of, when we need something, then obviously or automatically we try to find the ways. It meaning, in my words. Okay. And what is written meaning? A need or problem forces people to come up with innovation and innovative solutions. Right? हम अपने आप से कुछ innovate कर ही लेते हैं जब हमें बहुत ज़रूरत होती है. Have you ever encountered this situation? I have.
Yeah, lot of times.
Lot of times, right? Yes. When we need something, then we become inventive out of nowhere. Out of nowhere मतलब पता नहीं कहाँ से इतना invention आ जाता है मेरे mind में. बहुत अच्छे से ideas भी आ जाते हैं.
Yeah, if you have no option, then the thing you have to do, then you completely focus and ultimately it will be done.
Okay. Next one, people who live in glasses house shouldn't throw stone at others. It was the dialogue of Rajkumar, I think.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, ma'am. जिनके घर शीशे के होते हैं वो दूसरों पर पत्थर नहीं बरसाते.
My father.
If you have
my father almost every Sunday watches this movie, and still now like Suryavansham or this one Tiranga. So I'm quite aware about it. Okay.